Hi folks, CB3 here with another live update. Today is Friday, September 20th, reporting to you from the Badlands and Mount Rushmore in South Dakota. You probably saw that the Federal Reserve decreased, that is, they cut rates by 50 basis points this week, and that'll be the topic of what we discuss today. CB3 Live update begins now. So there's been quite a lot of drama leading up to what we expected to be a 25-point basis cut, but turned out to be 50-point basis cut. Now, many prognosticators in the industry thought that there might be a 50. I was not among them. I expected it to be 25, but the Fed obviously saw enough data that they were concerned and made it a 50 basis point move. That happened on Wednesday at 1 p.m. Central. And then yesterday, Thursday, we had a huge move up in the S&P and the Dow, both hitting lifetime highs. Today, Friday, the 20th, both indices are pulling back somewhat, as is the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has not made a lifetime high in sync with the Dow and the S&P, but still, markets look strong and reacting favorably to this 50 basis point cut. So in the week ahead, we've got U.S. retail sales, housing starts, earnings from Adobe. S&P now right at lifetime highs, obviously pulling back a little bit today. Dow also the same place there. The VIX is under 20, which means the market is not concerned about volatility right now. At least it's not terribly concerned the way it was a few weeks ago. So I think in general we are positioned well. This September has been sort of unusual in that, as I've told you on previous episodes, September is the weakest month of the year historically, dating back to 1925. But we could finish strong if we get back a little bit of this pullback today and just see this downturn reverse next week, again with some positive news there. So this historically seasonal pattern looks like it could be changed this year. On Monday, we've got consumer credit, wholesale inventories. Wednesday, core CPI. Actually, that revision was last Wednesday, and we'll probably get an update on that this next week. So a lot of things going on, and I will be back with you next week telling you about that. Hope you've had a good week. We got away for a week. As you know, I always travel with 3 laptops and keep up with the markets, but we do try to get out every once in a while and see different parts of the country. So that's what we did this week. Be back with you next week, and we'll see what happens then. But for now, goodbye from the Badlands and Mount Rushmore in South Dakota.